Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunshine Yummy Treats. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite childhood snacks, crispy golden bread buns. They are soft, fluffy on the inside, crunchy on the outside. And the best part is, you don't need yeast to make them. Let's get started. In a bowl, I'll add all-purpose flour. Please always sift your flour before baking. I'll add sugar, powdered milk, baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a little nutmeg for flavor. Mix everything together until well combined. Now I'll add room temperature butter or margarine and rub it into the flour until it's crumbly. Next, I'll add an egg, some room temperature water, and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix everything together until it starts forming a dough. At this point, I'll go in with my clean hands and knead gently. The dough shouldn't be too soft or too hard. It should look just like this as you see in the video. Cover the bowl and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm cleaning my work surface, and after resting, it's time to roll and cut the dough. I'll lightly flour my work surface. Place the dough on it and sprinkle a bit of flour on it so it rolls out easily. Once rolled, I'll fold the dough over. This step is very important for the layers. Now I'll roll and fold again. Sprinkle a little flour and roll one last time. The dough shouldn't be too flat, just like this. Now I'll cut it using a cookies cutter, but you can use a knife or any cutter you have at home to shape them. I'll remove the excess dough, roll it again and cut them off camera until all the dough is shaped. And here is what it looks like. Now it's ready for frying. To check if your oil is hot, I'll sprinkle in a little flour. If it sizzles, then it's ready. I will add in the dough pieces and fry on medium heat. Please be sure to watch closely because they cook really fast. Flip them over so they fry evenly on both sides and keep stirring gently so they don't get burnt. Just look at how beautiful they are, turning golden brown and smells absolutely amazing. Once they are ready, I'll remove from the hot oil and transfer to a strainer. I'll repeat this process until I'm done frying all the dough. And that's it. Our delicious bread buns are ready. They are crispy, soft, super filling, and perfect with any drink of your choice. What is this snack called in your area? I call them bread buns, but I'd love to hear what you call them. Are you going to give this recipe a try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Sunshine Yummy Treats for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.